weeks ago, I finally did what I call the rat hole in Dame's Cave.
Yeah.
There's always standing water in it, but somebody left a stainless pot, so I started bailing it.
Man, we tried and we were like, fuck it. I bailed for like, what, 2 seconds, and I was like, no.
Yeah, this ain't doing nothing.
It kept bailing it back into the thing. So I'm gonna come down first. As soon as I come out, I'll announce, and then you can come in next.
Yeah,
Just
that
make
way
sure that
you
I'm
get
out of
stuck
the
in
way so
one
you
of us
don't
can
kick
help
down
you in
rocks.
or out.
All right.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, the bitch about that one was I got most of it out, and then I started pulling the sludge out.
The worst part for me is that I have a bigger fan, so once I got in there, it goes straight up, and it was so wet. I tried to get up there, and I couldn't do it. I was like, bro, you're gonna have to do it without me. But, alright. Yeah, I saw it.
All right, you can start making your way. And cockroaches and all kinds of stuff down here, guys.
At this point, I kind of wish I was going face first. Well, that's knowledge. You're up ahead of me.
Yeah, so if you can come out that way, it's fine. You got plenty of room. Stop falling on the bugs.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Now this is a proper cave.
Yeah, this is a cave. Man, it's nice in here today. Yeah. It's nice and cold in here today. Kind of been
Cool.
people messed with. There's a little squeeze that goes left into this.
All right.
But yeah, really the kind of the safest little area is to jump this wall and go on the other side of it.
Go with that one?
Yeah, this one right here. Oh, somebody removed the Ocala stones.
Ocala stones, I'm upset.
There was a little Ocala stone. You know how people leave geos or geodes? Somebody left one. I don't see it anymore.
I mean, that's cool. At the same time, it just planted. It was like, oh man, that's cool.
Yeah, well, it's supposed to be like, hey, you're brave to be able to come in here and get that.
Nice.
Oh.
I'm looking for light because you see that it connects.
Yeah, it connects right down through here.
Oh yeah. This one goes up rather than this one goes straight. You're looking down.
Oh, see, you know what? I haven't looked up there. Does it look like it actually passages into anything?
It looked like
From this angle, it does, but. Yeah.
Oh shit!
You don't see anything.
Andrew, that's not on the other side of this rock, is it?
Because you're on the side that
Looks like it kind of drops down.
Yeah. So it leads into this narrow chute, which this thing kind of sucks to get into. Right here.
Yeah, up above, it doesn't really look like it goes anywhere at the moment, but a different angle, it might.
All right. Yeah, this is kind of a squeeze too.
So it. Say,
Oh shit, you can make it out that way. All right. Just watch your right. You have a big spider.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
That's what I would say. I don't know if that goes anywhere,
No.
but it's definitely
I'll
tight,
stand
and it
up.
does. Yeah, you're in a better position. Hey, what you doing?
Oh, you know what? It does, but there's no way anybody's fitting through it. But it does keep going.
Okay.
It kind of narrows into a chute about that wide.
Yeah, no.
All right, and then that's this. That does go into there if you want to sneak in there.
I'm OCD, man. Okay, that's clay under me.
Yeah, you're good. You're solid. There's been so many people that go in and out of that. That's a solid thing. Look at all the drippings.
I've noticed that back there. Yeah.
We'll be back, Andrew. If you want to try to maneuver.
Down here, dude. I don't think I've done
All right.
You need the light?
No.
I'm just gonna flash it to this area.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna get dirty. Yeah, you're already in a cave, you know? Doesn't matter about getting dirty, you're already dirty. I never thought you gotta look in this room. Kind of gets a little. Just like in a little hole. Sure how close I am. Look around here.
I never thought I'd do caves in a shorts, and I'm doing them in a shorts right now. So I was like, who's the dumb person to buy that product? Now I know.
So you are native Florida. Drop down here to the right.
Yeah, if you drop down, just be super careful. That whole room is breakdown. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Sure. Yeah, throw up a piece of rock. Yeah. Isn't that awesome? Oh. Okay, so that ends. I just pushed this over here because I haven't pushed this room yet. Okay. All right, I'm right behind you. All right.
I've been wanting to get water samples out of Weeks Cave, but this would be another good candidate just to see.
I got some samples out of back here last time we were right where you're standing.
Nice.
Grab this right here and put it as close to the water as you can. See if you can, if I can see it on video later.
I have to move back to give room. Get it as low as I can.
Yeah. Man, that's awesome.
No, I'd have to be in a totally different position to get much lower.
You're good. You're good. You got what you got.
Slightly unlevel right there, but.
Hell yeah.
Right. Oh wow, there's more water pretty much directly underneath it.
Yeah, if you go that way, I have not been that way yet.
Oh, your buddy talking about a visor. I think I see it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
It looks like the bill of a hat without the hat.
That's what he was saying.
It looks like
Now, it could have washed down here, or somebody dropped it down here.
Yeah.
All right.
Get into his root snake.
You know, this goes so deep, I wonder if this connects to Vulture.
Given the direction, if the Vulture connects to the aquifer,
Oh man, that's pretty cool. Oh. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Oh. It's time for me to invest in some new
gear.
Dirty Dan's. My mentor that taught me climbing, the person that I climb with, is also named Andrew.
Oh, okay.
So we had two Andrews here last time. Now we have 2 Seans this time.
Duplicate.
Okay.
Like an echo.
Yeah. Who's on rope? Who's on lead? Sean is. And we are free.
I thought I was gonna hit.
All right.
There was some stuff that hit in that hole that I'm not quite sure fit in that hole. Dude, Andrew, you found a shovel in here. What? Really? What's up? What's up? Oh, you're coming this way.
Alright. I've never seen a video about this.
Yeah. There's too much action. I don't know which one to record.
Wow.
Yeah, because yours and a half shell. But there's another section of it.
Must have fell down here. Sucks.
Yeah, those are the only two or three pieces I'm seeing.
Wow. Heck yeah. All right.
It's more or less back there.
Turtle fossil.
Oh yeah, this is like way more
Yeah.
inviting.
It looks way more intimidating going down the first time.